Are your nails breaking again and again? Your nails are a reflection of your internal health. They often show early signs when your body lacks important nutrients. Weak nails are not random. They are signals. Your body is trying to tell you that something is missing. Your nails are made of a protein called keratin. To build strong keratin, your body needs vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. If your diet is not balanced, your nails cannot grow strong. They become brittle, thin, and slow to grow. Your nails often show clear signs when your body lacks nutrients. These signs can help you understand what your body needs. Pale nails are one of the most common signs. They may indicate low iron levels. When your blood lacks iron, it cannot carry enough oxygen. This affects nail health. Ridges on nails can also give clues. Vertical ridges are common as you age, but deep or sudden ridges may signal a deficiency. Horizontal ridges can be a sign of stress or illness. Spoon-shaped nails are another important sign. The nails curve inward instead of staying flat. This is often linked to iron deficiency. White spots on nails are often ignored. They may be caused by minor injuries, but frequent spots can also indicate low zinc levels. Slow nail growth is another sign. If your nails take too long to grow, your body may lack protein or essential vitamins. Weak nails are often the result of specific nutrient deficiencies. Each nutrient plays a unique role in nail health. Biotin, vitamin B7. Biotin is one of the most important nutrients for nail strength. It helps your body produce keratin, which is the main building block of nails. When your body lacks biotin, your nails may become brittle and weak. They may break easily and grow slowly. Foods like eggs, nuts, seeds, and whole grains are rich in biotin. Including these in your diet can improve nail strength over time. Iron. Iron helps carry oxygen to your cells. Your nails need oxygen to grow and stay strong. When iron levels are low, your nails may become pale and weak. In some cases, they may develop a spoon-like shape. Iron-rich foods include spinach, lentils, and red meat. Pairing these foods with vitamin C can improve absorption. Protein. Your nails are made of keratin, which is a type of protein. Without enough protein, your body cannot build strong nails. Low protein intake can lead to thin and weak nails. Growth may also slow down. Foods like eggs, dairy, beans, and chicken are good sources of protein. Zinc. Zinc supports cell growth and repair. Since nails grow from cells, zinc is essential for their health. Low zinc levels can cause white spots on nails. It can also slow nail growth. You can get zinc from nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Vitamin C. Vitamin C helps your body produce collagen. Collagen supports the structure of nails. Without enough vitamin C, nails may become weak and prone to splitting. Citrus fruits, berries, and vegetables are good sources of vitamin C. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a role in nail growth and strength. Low levels can lead to weak nails. Sunlight is one of the best sources of vitamin D. Spending some time outdoors can help improve your levels. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help keep nails hydrated. Dry nails are more likely to break. Foods like fish, flax seeds, and walnuts provide these healthy fats. Let's look at some simple home remedies to strengthen nails. Improve your diet. A balanced diet is the foundation of strong nails. Your meals should include protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. Focus on whole foods instead of processed ones. Over time, this helps your body build stronger nails. Stay hydrated. Water keeps your nails flexible and healthy. When your body is dehydrated, your nails become dry and brittle. Drinking enough water each day supports nail strength. Oil massage. Massaging your nails with oil can improve blood flow. This helps deliver nutrients to your nails. Coconut oil and almond oil are good choices. Regular use can make nails stronger and shinier. Lemon and olive oil soak. A mixture of lemon juice and olive oil can help strengthen nails. Lemon helps clean and brighten nails. Olive oil provides moisture. Soaking your nails in this mixture for a few minutes can improve their condition over time. Avoid harsh chemicals. Protect your nails from damage. Use gloves when cleaning or washing dishes. Choose mild products for your hands and nails. Avoid using nail polish and removers too often. Weak nails are not just a small problem. They are a sign that your body needs attention. Your nails reflect your nutrition, habits, and overall health. When your body lacks key nutrients, your nails show it first. Eat balanced meals. Stay hydrated. Protect your nails from damage. With time and consistency, your nails can become strong and healthy again. Always remember that healthy nails reflect a healthy body. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.